Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we've officially moved back to LA, which is amazing, super excited. This week I have for you all a wonderful Dutch oven lasagna. Totally vegan, cheesy, delicious, and it comes together in like 15 to 20 minutes for the prep work. And then you bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. So let's get to it. Hey everyone, the first step is to make the vegan cheese. Similar to my last recipe on how to make vegan cornbread, this vegan cheese is tofu based. We're going to add a 14-ounce block of silken tofu, in addition to some nutritional yeast, miso paste, tapioca starch, and blend it until really nice and smooth. You can add some extra salt or extra cheesiness if you feel it needs it. Set it aside for now. In the meantime, we're going to add mushrooms to a food processor and process until the size of a pea. We're going to add all of those mushrooms in addition to some pulsed walnuts to the food processor and also pulse until very small. Add about half a cup to a cup's worth of black beans for extra protein. You can also choose lentils, that works really nicely here. Add it all to your Dutch oven pan, and then we're going to add 2 cans of store-bought pasta sauce. Add a little bit of oregano, any spices that you like. I like to add some red chili flakes in there as well. We're going to add that vegan cheese and give it a really nice stir. Now I like to add whole wheat lasagna noodles to the sauce, and you just got to give it a good mix. I added about 6 to 8 sheets total. You can add 10 depending on the size of your Dutch oven, but you want everything covered in sauce because you're going to bake it, and this will cook the noodles. The sauce and the excess moisture that is released will cook your wheat noodles to an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to add our Dutch oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. On the side, I wilted some kale with a little bit of garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and just a pinch of lemon juice to have some nice greens. And towards the end of your baking, we're going to take off the lid from our lasagna and broil the top for 10 to 15 minutes. Mine got a little too broiled, but it was still lovely and delicious. This meal will feed you during the whole week, comes together really quickly, and I really hope you enjoy. If you guys like this channel, be sure to subscribe for full recipes every single Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.